Hey everyone, this is Miss Bergman here to teach you a little bit more about how to make a friendship bracelet. You might have made them before, but we're going to try a specific type of pattern today. This pattern is pretty basic and creates a really cool spiral shape. So let's go ahead and get you started. First, you're going to need a couple pieces of string. 2 of your strings should be short. Those are going to be the core of your bracelet, and then you will have one really long string. This will be the one that we wrap with. Have all of your strings together at the top and create a knot. I'm going to go fast through this knot and then we'll break it down. But basically, you create a loop, pull the tails through, and there's your knot. Make sure at the end of your knot you have plenty of string left over so they can tie their bracelet later. If you make a mistake, unknot your knot and try again. Let's go slow motion. Loop your yarn like so. Take your short ends of your yarn and place them through your loop. Pull them through the other side and tug to tighten. Great job! Now you've got a knot. 1 long string, 2 short strings, and I'm going to grab some tape. You just need 1 piece of tape, not very long, and you are going to tape it horizontally across those long extra strings on the top. Make sure you push it down so your tape doesn't go anywhere. Pause the video here while everyone catches up. Now we're going to start to make the bracelet. You're going to keep your short strings in the center. Remember, that's your core. And you're going to make sure to use that longer string for this next step. Pick up your string and use both hands. My left hand's holding while my other hand is positioning. And I'm going to make the number 4. My long string is the outside of the 4. With that long string, I am going to go under my straight line of my 4 with the long piece. Then I'm going to pull the yarn through the loop. And take your long string and pull it tight and pull it all the way up. Don't worry if this seems hard. I've got some pictures to help you. You can look at these pictures. First go over for your 4, then go ahead and go through and pull it tight. You're going to keep repeating this basic motion over and over and over again with your long string. Make your 4, pull it through, and pull it up. Make sure when you pull it up, you pull nice and tight so your bracelet looks awesome. Now, the more you do this, the faster you'll get. At first, it might feel kind of weird and you might be kind of slow. But just like anything, the more you practice, the easier things get. So, if you make a couple knots today, ask a friend and see if they can help you. If not, try to see if you can figure out what's not going quite right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit so you can see what happens at the end. One last slow look for you, pulling that through, and make sure you pull that whole tail out. Great job. At this point, you're just going to keep making your 4, pulling up, and going down your bracelet. You're going to create a long bracelet until you get to the bottom of those 2 core pieces or run out of yarn from your long string. So just keep going and going and going. You should see a spiral if you're doing this correctly. Once you've gotten to the base of your bracelet, you are ready to go ahead and create one final knot. Go ahead and make your loop. Take your strings that are left over, put them through the center, and pull that bracelet nice and tight to finish up. And you did it! You've got a friendship bracelet. Awesome job! I know these kids will appreciate your awesome hard work. If you had fun today, check out other ways you can make friendship bracelets online. They are so much fun to make and would make a great summer art activity. Enjoy!